Hello there, my name is Dominic and welcome to the Infinix Note 10 Pro 4K video samples. Now the maximum quality that the Infinix Note 10 Pro can record is 4K at 30 frames per second. It also has 1080p at 60 frames per second as well as 30 frames per second. Not all clips in this video are going to be 4K though, that's because the Infinix Note 10 Pro has a lot of features and not all features can record in 4K at 30 frames per second. In the top left corner of this video, you will see the maximum quality that you will be watching at that particular time. Make sure you have a very good device so that you can enjoy 4K videos. So let me mention that I never do any type of color correction on these videos. The only editing I've done in this video is just cutting the clips to length. So the front camera can also record in 4K at 30 frames per second as well as 1080p at 60 frames per second. Right now I'm recording using the front camera using the bokeh mode, and in this bokeh mode the quality is capped at 1080p at 30 frames per second. And you can tell there's something different about the background over there. And this is the beauty mode. Compare this with the 4K version. In beauty mode, this is at 720p, that's the maximum quality. Now compare that with the 4K version. And this is the 4K version, and I'm sure you can tell there's a very big difference. So what's amazing is that even the front camera has stabilization, and this is the stabilized footage. Compare this to the non-stabilized footage, and this is the non-stabilized footage. So one thing Infinix still hasn't done is enable external microphones to record into the video right now. So this headset is plugged in into the phone, but the audio is actually coming from the microphone on the phone as opposed to the microphone on this little gadget over here. I hope that this is something Infinix can fix in the future. I'm sure this is just a software update.